Hello everyone and welcome to this video. If you've joined me before, welcome back, and if you're new to the channel or to these videos, then hello. I'm Disney Collector 92, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about my progress in Disney Magic Kingdoms. So I hope you all have had a lovely Christmas, and the day that I'm filming is my last day of the break before I go back to work. But I have been working hard in this game, so don't worry. So just from what I've seen before I start going into my progress in Highland Games, I was looking at my characters and I saw that Toy Alien was able to be leveled up if I'd bought some of the tokens in Merlin's shop. So I decided to do that, and I did Maui just before doing Toy Alien. So that's got me up to 385 gems. We did have a reward the other day of 10 gems, so that's helped out a little bit. But let's get on to the Brave event and how I'm doing in that. And like I say, Highland Games. So I have 10 days left. And as you can see, I've welcomed Queen Eleanor, Lord Macintosh and Lord MacGuffin. Now, I know that I had welcomed two of them in the previous video, but let's see what I have done. So I believe the last time I was around the Lord MacGuffin builds Castle Dunbrook area, I think. And as you can see, I've welcomed Lord Macintosh and I have built the ruins of the kingdom. And I'm currently, I did a few of the quests that needed to be done to get on to the next bit. And the last bit I'm on is definitely what they are. And basically, as we can see, if I can zoom in, we've got these wooden bear things where we have to get rid of them. And I have done 8 out of 12, I think that said. Yeah. And let's click on that again. So I need one more of the wood carving tools before I can send out either Queen Eleanor or Lord MacGuffin to get rid of it. And let's see, so I've got 26 minutes before I can do that. I did have to wait 6 hours for more to come into the kingdom, which was annoying, but as I was on a roll. But as we know, it's a marathon, not a sprint. But when it's a limited time event, time isn't always on your side. So yeah, so let's just go back to that. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. From what I've seen from Facebook groups and YouTube, because I've been watching quite a few videos on there, and I was actually quite surprised how many people play this game, Disney Magic Kingdoms. So I've got to do join in the games, or let the games begin, should I say, and I believe you have to send out characters so many times, which hopefully I can do quickly. And when I say quickly, I mean in time for me to welcome Merida, because I'm sure there's going to be other quests as well. Hopefully not, because of time-wise and everything. I'm not that concerned about the comfy costume, because I don't believe I have any of the princess's comfy costumes, but I'd rather welcome Merida. So what else have I got to tell you? Yes. So recently during this break, I've really wanted to redecorate my kingdom. But the only problem that I have is I haven't got enough land to either move things about or put things in the right place. So, as you all probably know, I've still got quite a bit of land. So I've got this one here for 2 million, which I could do, but I want a barrier of 1 million. So I'm making my way up to 3 million at the moment. So then I can unlock that, because I have quite a lot of Fantasyland stuff in Tomorrowland. So I want to get it back over into here. I've got this one for 3 million. We've got this one here for 2 million. And then we've got these new plots of land. By saying new, these ones aren't new. They're from the last update. But 4 million, 5 million. And then this one here, which is from this update, 6 million. And for some reason, I don't know why, but this is saying to unlock, complete more Jungle Book Kingdom quests. Well, I finished the Jungle Book storyline, so I'm not 100% sure about that bit, but that is 7 million. Now, of course, that's going to take me a long time to get to that stage, but I want to try and get more characters in, and hopefully doing the storylines and that, doing these events, I can get more characters. And the only problem is the character limit, but that's fine. I can work my way around that. And having no land doesn't help with attractions. But let me get back to what I was saying. So so I started this morning to redecorate and reorganize my kingdom, but I started with what they call as Toontown. So it's a little bit different. And what I've tried to do is put everything into groups. So, and also it doesn't help when you've got characters on quests inside buildings, which means then you can't move it. So I've got like Chippendale's Tree House, Donald's Boat, Daisy's Diner, Mickey's House, Minnie's House, and Pluto's House. Now I'm not 100% sure if I've said all of those right. And unfortunately, Goofy's Playhouse, he is in there, so I wasn't able to move it. But as you can see, I've got no space anyway. Oh, whoops. Then I was thinking, okay, what do I do? I've got to try and get back the thrill level as well. So I put these two attractions here, I can't even speak, Magic, and also the Fantasia Gardens and Fairways, and then put the stores in there and the food stuff. Then I was trying to put like collections together, so we got Lady and the Tramp here, we got Zootopia and Alice in Wonderland, and then we've got rides actually, or I know Phantasmic isn't a ride, but all things that are real in a Disney park. We got Bambi. I know we've got Rabbit's House there from Winnie the Pooh. And the one that shocks me when I was looking at the list, it said that most of Toy Story stuff belongs in Toontown, where I would have thought that would have belonged in Frontierland. Well, I'm not doing what the park says, but I'm just trying to, and also I had characters in that stuff as well, so I couldn't move that over. But yeah, and then I've got Peter Pan stuff as well, and onward there, and I couldn't put Haunted Mansion over here because there wasn't enough space, so I had to fill it up with different things. But yeah, so I'm gonna slowly go round. Hopefully it won't take me long to get to 3 million, which then means I can unlock that. Okay, that's gonna take a time to actually get rid of the curse. I think it's 24 hours. It might be more, but at least I can do that and get attractions back into Fantasyland. And also, whilst I was talking, I remembered about something else. Hopefully, you all logged into your game on Christmas Day, because we received the red ribbon chest. And as you know, you get all the legendary like the premium characters and the attractions. And I don't know if you can tell by looking, but yes, I did get a legendary item. I just want to say thank you for all the support to the live reaction video that I did. It's had so many views, and I'm very, very appreciative of that. And hopefully we can carry on that, just getting the word out there, sharing the videos with your friends and family. And yes, and go and view that so you can see what I got, because I don't want to give it away if you have not seen that video. And I think that is basically it from what I have been doing this week. And hopefully I can carry on the hard work whilst I'm at work for 3 days, and then back to having a few days off, and again I can carry on doing that hard work. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, make sure to give it a like. Also, if you're enjoying the Disney Magic Kingdoms content, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any notifications. And also go and check out the other videos. You can also follow me on Instagram at Disney Collector 92. Well, like I say, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and always comment. Let me know if you're enjoying Brave being in here, and also where are you in the storyline? How well are you doing in the event? I'd love to hear from you and try and make a community feel. Well, hopefully I see you in the next video, and that leaves me to say bye.